Introduction to multiplication. Learn how to multiply. When you have two numbers that you want to multiply, there are three different ways to do it. The first method is to use multiples. If you can count in multiples, then you can use multiples as a way to multiply. Take a look at how we can use multiples to solve the two multiplication problems on the board. On the board, we have 6 times 3 and 4 times 5. For the first example, let's count in multiples of 6 to find the answer to 6 times 3. 6, 12, 18. And we're done. We're only counting in multiples of 6 up to 3 times. So 18 is our answer. 6 times 3 equals 18. Our next example is 4 times 5. In this example, let's count in multiples of 5. We're only counting in multiples of 5 up to 4 times. 5, 10, 15, 20. And we stop right here because we're only counting in multiples up to 4 times because the problem is 5 times 4. So 20 is our answer. 4 times 5 equals 20. Remember, counting in multiples is one way to solve a multiplication problem. Let's continue. Solving multiplication with addition. You can use addition to solve a multiplication problem. For example, on a board we have 3 times 6 and 9 times 5. Starting with 3 times 6, I'm going to use addition to find the answer to this problem. We have 3 times 6. With addition, I would have to add 3 6 times because it's 3 times 6. So I must add 3 to itself 6 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now I would simply add these numbers together. And 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 18. That means that 3 times 6 is 18. Moving on to our next problem. We have 9 times 5. Again, I would have to add 9 5 times or 5 9 times. In this example, I'm going to add 9 5 times. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. I have to add 9 5 times. And 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 45. And 9 times 5 is 45. 45 is our answer. This is a very effective method, and it will always work. However, out of the 3 methods, this is the longest method for finding the answer to a multiplication problem. Memorizing your times tables. If you memorize your times tables, you can answer multiplication problems quickly and easily. And in the description of this video, I will link 2 free PDF downloads to assist you with memorizing your times tables. Let's begin. On the board, we have 5 times 5. Because I memorized my times tables, I can just say 5 times 5 is 25. And 8 times 3 is 24. And 7 times 6 is 42. Just like that, I can answer these questions because I memorized my times tables. And remember, guys, there will be 2 links for PDF files in the description box of this video that will help you memorize your times tables. And feel free to use the other 2 methods until you're able to memorize your times tables. But make memorizing your times tables the ultimate goal. That is what you want to do at the end, okay? It will help you better when taking tests and quizzes. And that is all for today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.